Chef Mack is back. 2 eggs cracked. Got the hot sauce. Let me put a little mustard, whisk it together. Yeah, catfish already together. Put that in the fryer. Yeah, let me make sure I put that in the batter. Put it back in the fryer with them crab legs. Look at them. Put them in my special sauce. Catfish, make sure it don't burn. Come back to the doggone crab legs. Put them in the fryer. Yeah, it don't take long. They done. Catfish done. They not burning. Let me come over here and get these shrimp. Ooh, look at those shrimp. Don't they look good? Man, I'm about to put those shrimp in the fryer. Batter. Man, look at that. Shrimp, crab legs, and catfish.